Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking that you can interact with the desktop. Make sure your keyboard and Windows key work. Once ready, press the Windows key to open Start. Alternatively, press Windows plus R to open Run directly, because Run gives the fastest access. Then, type CMD or CMD. EXE into the Search or Run field. This targets the command prompt executable. Make sure you haven't typed extra spaces, since Windows treats input literally, so be precise and press Enter to continue. Once the initial entry is entered, choose the method that fits your task. If you need normal access, type CMD in Start and press Enter. For elevated tasks, right-click the result and pick Run as administrator. Alternatively, press Windows plus R and enter CMD, because Run is consistent across versions. If you need elevation there, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter after typing. Finally, you can use Windows plus X to open the Power User menu and select Command Prompt or Windows Terminal. These route you into a shell quickly. To finish, confirm the Command Prompt window is active and shows a path such as /users/ your name. This tells you it launched successfully. Use commands like CLS to clean the screen and exit when done by typing exit, or simply click the window X. If the prompt fails to open, make sure an antivirus or group policy isn't blocking CMD. EXE, once done, try Task Manager, right arrow File, right arrow Run New Task, and type CMD. EXE, checking the box for administrator privileges if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.